Hey everybody, Josh from JVCKenwood here, and today I want to show you something that we just launched in Las Vegas, and that is our new direct replacement category. Now what's really exciting about this is we are taking a different approach on how traditional aftermarket radios are manufactured. Traditionally, you have a product that you have to make the car fit the product. What we've done different now is we've designed products that are made to fit the car. So that helps us out in a few different ways. As vehicles have continued to evolve over time, placement of radio modules and components have changed in those factory vehicles. For example, GM has integrated really cool features like motorized screen functions that have pockets behind them. Now that we have a solution similar to what we do, we actually have the ability to retain some of those features. Now, whenever you put the radio brain in place, it goes where the factory brain was. The screen goes where the factory screen was. We partnered up with our friends over at iDatalink Maestro in order to make this happen. They launched their new category of products called the Apex line, and that Apex line is responsible for helping us to integrate these types of products into these types of vehicles. Now with this new type of a product though, that actually changes things up a lot for us. At launch, so phase one, which we're already done with, we have 50 million vehicles of cars that are currently driving on the road today that these products will fit in. It'll be offered in two different configurations, an 8-inch solution and then a 10-inch solution like we have over here in this Jeep. Now the 10-inch solution allows us to adapt to a lot of our Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram, vehicles like that that typically have a receiver screen that's a little larger than 8-inch. On this kiosk, we've actually put all the vehicle fit guides that we can for these products. So for example, if we see these two icons up here, some of these vehicles that'll be on this list that are found in the Maestro Apex S8 IN1 will be vehicles that we've never been able to put radios in before. Down here, if we look, we'll see Nissan Pathfinder, Nissan Quest. We've got Infiniti QX60, QX56, a lot of really popular vehicles that are on the road today, but they don't have any kind of a radio replacement option. And that's because of how those cars were manufactured, and it was impossible to modify that car to take a traditional radio. This new direct replacement category is what's going to take us into the future of car audio, delivering a factory finish, but with an aftermarket performance. And I can't wait for you to learn more about it.